All right, y'all, so I'm packing for my next trip. I'm trying to keep it simple. Hey y'all, I'm back as promised. So for today's video, I'm going to show you what I'm packing for my 4-week trip to the UK, which is currently in lockdown again. This is going to be lockdown number 3. So I would like to go to a spa because my birthday's coming up, and I'd like to go to my favorite restaurants and stuff, but there's no guarantee that I'm going to be able to do all that. So I'm sort of packing accordingly. So I'm packing as if I'm going to be able to go out, but likely I won't. So I left a lot of toiletries over at Kevin's last trip, so I won't be including those in this video. However, I'm going to show you all of the clothes I pack, my shoes, and I think that's it. Before we get started, make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. Like this video if you want to see more like these. All right, let me see, where did we start? Okay, so bottoms, jeans. I like to have a good variety, but you always have to have a staple black jean, like a black pant. Black leggings, whatever it is, your liquid leggings, they are a staple for the winter time. So I'm gonna have those, pair of blue jeans, regular pair of black jeans, and some new cargo pants that I got. That's my variety, that's really all I need. And then I like to have shirts that I can lounge in and be cozy and comfortable, and if we're not going out, I don't have to be tight and smushed. So I always have a good variety of t-shirts or sweatshirts, and chill sweaters that are kind of loose fitting, a couple bodysuits. They're super comfy. And then I also take a few dress up items. So I will take a form fitting shirt, take a couple dressy shirts, and then I'll take a couple dresses. I don't think I have skirts. I might buy some while I'm over there. But anyway, and then a dressy skirt, just in case I want to go out and feel cute. So of course, with loungewear being the favorite, I got a few new sets I'm going to pack to take with me. This is a PJ set that I got from Old Navy, and it's a huge check pattern in multi shades of gray. I just got this one from H&M. It's a wide leg crop lounge set. And then I got this one from Shein. Sportswear. That's the other thing. So I got a few sportswear sets that I'm gonna take. I got most of those from H&M, a couple from Old Navy. So then I'll make sure I have a blazer or a cardigan. And then I have my hoodie, my sport hoodie from H&M, my crop teddy from Shein, suede moto with the fur lining. I got that from Forever 21, and this is my classic Forever 21 leather jacket. The bags I'm bringing. I got these two, the black one and the clear one from Forever 21, and I got this fuzzy one from ASOS. So then for my shoes, I always like to take a pair of Stan Smiths, an athletic sneaker, so that's my Nikes right now. And then I also like to have a dress shoe, and for right now, that's going to be my over the knee boot. It's like a velvet texture. And then a casual shoe, which is my combat boot for the moment. And that's all I'm taking. We don't go anywhere. We ain't doing nothing. So I think that's fine. And that way I have a little bit of variety, and I'm still not packing too much, even though it's going to be a full-size suitcase this time. Typically I pack everything in a carry-on. I want to bring some treats with me. Yeah, I needed a little bit of extra space. So I'm going to be working from there a little bit and taking some time off. So I'm going to have my work laptop, my personal laptop, and then any of my like YouTube gear. I just put that in a backpack along with my underwear because I keep my underwear on me at all times. Thank you very much. Just so if anything happens with my luggage, I have no issues. I think that's it for this video. Up next, I'll let you know how the journey is heading over to the UK and see what the airport is looking like once again. So if you want to see that video, make sure you are subscribed so you can see when I release that. So thanks y'all for watching. Peace out.